Hi, I'm Piotr Bryk. We were working during the summer with Rafał and Darius on metadata sharing module. To begin with, I will describe shortly the module. The metadata sharing module allows all kinds of metadata, for example concepts and HTML forms, locations, to be exchanged between different OpenMRS installations. But there were few new features that users requested for. First, metadata arranged in packages which can be imported to other installations. A package is immutable, thus modifying metadata does not change the package. To reflect the changes in metadata, a new version of the package needs to be created. There was no easy way to do this. There was also no way to notify users about updates in package. What's more, a metadata package was able to be imported only from a zipped file which had to be uploaded from user's computer. To do this, the user needs to download the package from some server, get it via email or a pen drive. There was no easy way to exchange packages from within the module. What did we plan to implement? Allow user to create a new package version starting from an existing one. Allow an OpenMRS installation to publish packages. Allow an OpenMRS installation to subscribe to a published package, either by uploading a zip file or entering an URL. Allow user to be automatically notified about package updates. Fortunately, every required feature was implemented and seems to be made sure to work in a production environment. Let me describe briefly all new features. I will start with creating new package versions. We made the process very simple for end user. A new package version can be created starting from any of the previous versions or starting from scratch. Here I've got a diagram illustrating how it works. On the left there is a sample base package of which we are creating a new version from. On the right, there is a new version that in my example includes new concept. When new version is created from previous one, then at the beginning of this process we fetch from the database all the previous metadata items and add them automatically to newly created package. They can be removed, new items can be added. If we want to update all metadata in the package, which changed after creating it, we just need to create a new version without adding or removing items. How does package publishing work? When a package is published, this means that it can be downloaded by accessing special package URL. Once a package is published, everyone who has the URL, which is very hard to guess, can access it. There is no further authentication, but packages don't contain patient data. Publishing allows many clients to subscribe to metadata packages in just few clicks, and lets the publisher notify them of changes with very little work. I've got here an image showing sample package URL. It consists of prefix, which is different for its installation and it's configurable. There is a web services part and unique identifier. You also need to use suffix in pre-web services OpenMRS versions. What subscribing is? When we are subscribing to the package updates, this means that we can check anytime if there is a new version available. If yes, we can download it in one click and begin import process. The diagram illustrated sample subscription network. The papers symbolize packages and the arrows say who is subscribing to what package. One OpenMRS installation can act as a server and a client in the same time, for example PIH here. When a package is updated, all clients will be able to be notified about this and import it. We can import a package either by uploading a zipped file or entering package URL. If we import URL or the package contains URL in its content, we are asked if you want to subscribe to the future updates. This allows OpenMRS installations which do not have unlimited internet connection to use subscribing feature. Updates can be delivered even using only zipped files. Check for updates and package download process use as little network resources as possible, so subscription can be used in low bandwidth installations, for example satellite connections. How about notifications? The module can automatically check for updates to all subscriptions and notify users when they are available. On the configuration page, we can determine how often the modules should check for updates. Notifications are sent where during automatic checkout at least one subscription has changed status to update available or it has that status and even never update appeared. As users which have share metadata privilege will receive the notification saying how many updates are available. Let's proceed to a short demo. I will show how useful publishing, subscribing, or version features are. I'm running two OpenMRS installations. The one in Firefox acts as publisher. The one in the Internet Explorer acts as subscriber. To start using the module, we need to configure it. Required fields are concept source and URL prefix for publishing. Notifications are optional for users who want to be up to date with metadata. I have already configured the module, so let's go further. I will import an HTML form. Look, now I don't have any. Let's go to the Firefox. Here I've got Rwanda HIV lab results. I've also had a package with it. It's published, so I can easily share it with others. I just need to paste the URL on import package page and the module will handle all the magic. So I copy the URL and import in. Now I am on a page with regular package import. I select that I want to I will select that I want to subscribe to the future package updates. Here it is. And the import will last a couple seconds. I tried to select the smallest HTML form, which I had. Oh yes, it's imported. Now I see that Rwanda HIV lab results package is up to date. Great. Let's check if the form has really been imported. Yes. Everything is good. Please notice that there is only CD4 field, no other. Now I will show something more interesting. I will create a new version of the package, but before it I will edit the HTML form. I will add one field to the form. This will be CD4 in persons. Good, there is another field CD4 in percent. Let's check the other installations. There are No changes, that's good. Now I will create new package version. Just few clicks. There is the package. I'm creating a new version. Next. I will change nothing, only update the metadata. Okay, and it's created the second version. It's published. So let me switch to and there is on the subscribing installation I've got now a beautiful alert that one package has update available. In fact, the module automatically checks for updates every 10 seconds, but only in this demo. In production environment, it will be usually 3 days. So I will mark this as read and apply an update. The status is an update available. Download the package. There are you see that there are new items in the package. In particular, there is new concept CD4 in percents. I will create everything is fine. So let's import it. Now it should last time than before. Okay, we are, and I see that the package is up to date. That's great. So let me check the HTML form. And good, there is new field which I've added just a moment before. So that's the power of new features implemented during this summer. We only need to publish the package, share the URL, and don't care about anything else. That's the end of this short demo. Let's back to the slides. What will be the future work? We'll have to fix few bugs related to importing complex metadata, and then we can release version 1.0 of the module. Now only version 0.10 is released, and we'll release the final version very soon. We also gather information and requested features about metadata sharing server. Please see the wiki page for more information. Thanks for listening.